How to add music to Shopify store. So the first step is to simply go to add apps, then scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now here you're gonna have to search for audio, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and then you're gonna have to basically download this one here. So simply click on install, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up. Again, click on install, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up, and now we should be able to access the dashboard of this app, where we can basically choose which music we want. As you can see here, we have the dashboard, and basically we can simply customize the app, and then we can simply add it to our store. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.